Buddy said round 2. Didn't get enough the first time.
Are you ready? Go for it. Go.
He said, yes, sir. That's that Chevy. That's that Chevrolet life. Yes, sir. Hold on tight. Oh, he's still on. He's still on. Oh. Lost him. Sorry for the language, boys, but I think you'll understand. Yes, sir. We'll go over to meet him. How's reverse work for you? Yeah, reverse works good. All right. Since I need to adjust my proportioning valve, my brakes don't work good, so. Come on. Take off. Trying to turn left here. How's he going again? I'm still recording, brother.
Oh, yeah. We got Sam this time.
Okay, we got Sam in the house, boys. We got Sam in the house. Hold on tight. You've seen those corners. Throw them for loops.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
He's good. He's on it. Let's go, Sammy boy. Still on. Oh, not today. Not today. Good, I'm not stuck. Uh-oh. This thing is just so tail happy. Now we're not going forward now. We won't be able to incline. No. Come on. Behind me. Okay. So I can get up it now. Let's see what these boys are up to.
They're timing it now. Yeah, we're gonna see if they hold on the line.
Okay. It's about a tie so far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love the way. Try to hold on.
This is this guy's 3rd time. No big deal. No big deal.
Go.
He's good.
Good, buddy.
It's a mic. It's dirty mic. Attaboy, hold on tight. Oh, he's swinging. He's swinging. He's still on. Attaboy. He's still on. He's still on. Woo! Oh, man, this is a record. This is a record. He's so cold. How can he do it? You can't make this up. You can't make this up. This is Indiana at its finest. Grable days ain't got nothing on Mike.
You lost that minute. 5 more seconds.
Oh, and he wiped out. Big cold for Mike. Dude, yeah, I believe it. Well worth it though. Almost a minute. Getting dragged around this parking lot. Heck yeah, buddy.